In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page transitions in the Wix editor. To get started, open the Wix editor in Google Chrome and make sure your site is fully loaded before you begin. Using Chrome can help everything run smoothly while you edit, especially when you're working with visual settings like animations and design effects. Once you're inside the editor, take a moment to look at the menu bar so you can easily spot the tools you'll need. Next, go to the Site Design section by clicking the icon that looks like a capital letter A with a paintbrush. This option is located on the menu bar, and it's where Wix keeps many of the design settings that affect the overall look and feel of your website. When you open Site Design, you'll see several options related to styling your site, and this is where you can control how pages visually transition from one to another. From there, select Page Transitions. This setting allows you to add an animation effect that plays when visitors move between pages on your website. It's a simple feature, but it can make your site feel much more polished and professional. A good page transition can help create a smoother browsing experience and make your design feel more intentional. Once the page transitions panel opens, choose the animation effect you prefer. For example, you might select fade if you want a clean and subtle effect. You could choose horizontal if you want pages to slide in a more dynamic way. Another option is out and in, which gives a slightly more pronounced transition as one page leaves and the next appears. The best choice depends on the style of your website, so pick the one that matches your brand and the kind of experience you want visitors to have. As you choose your transition, keep in mind that simpler effects often feel more modern and are less distracting for users. If your website has a professional, minimal, or elegant style, a softer transition like fade may work especially well. If your site is more creative or interactive, a stronger motion effect may fit better. After selecting your preferred animation, Wix will apply that transition style to your site's page changes. That's all it takes to add page transitions in the Wix editor. It's a quick design upgrade that can make your website feel smoother, more cohesive, and more engaging for visitors.